Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the EarFun Air True Wireless Earbuds. These retail for roughly $60 US. I'll include a link in the description, and they were furnished to me by the manufacturer for review purposes. With that said, let's take a look at what we have here. The manufacturer actually reached out to me a long time ago, and these finally arrived. And look, there are a lot of budget true wireless earbuds out there. It's all a matter of whether or not they deliver. So while the price is attractive, we're going to see whether or not it lives up to expectation. So first and foremost, Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 ratings, 35 plus hours of battery life, as per at least the retail packaging, 4 microphone array, wireless charging, pretty much all the things you've come to expect. And in terms of the back here, let's see what else they brand. What's in the box? You obviously have the buds, the charging case. They give you 4 pairs of ear tips for sizing purposes, a USB Type-C cable, and the user manual. So they're saying 7 hours of playtime, 28 hours with charging case. They can be used individually. You can see that single earbud mode, right or left. They have touch controls, most of them do. They're capacitive. They have in-ear capacitive detection. So we'll see how it does, but let me get it out of the packaging here. And again, this is one of those things that it may be your next pair of earbuds, because at the price point, if they perform well, there's no reason not to consider them. Now, let's see if I can, here we go, one more label. And now we've got it. Let's open this up. Instructions popped first. Let's get this nice and clean. So they're telling you first, number 1 out of 2, start the pairing process. Put the earbuds into the case and close the case, and then number 2, open the case. Earbuds will automatically power on and enter into pairing mode. So we'll do that. I'm not going to pair it up right at this moment. Let's see what we have here. Some paperwork, which is what I expected. So the actual instruction manual right there, fairly robust. It's a pretty thick manual that I can't even get back into the packaging, but that's fine. And here are the earbuds and charging case. So the charging case first, let me go ahead and slip that out. You can't really go wrong with something like this. There's your LED indicator. Now, it doesn't seem to have levels on the indicator. A lot of these true wireless buds do. This is just one solid indicator to let you know status. So pairing, fully charged, not fully charged, single LED, okay? And your Type-C connection right there at the base, the bottom of the charging case. And now the actual earbuds, which, for all intents and purposes, they look a lot like much of what you will see in this space. They don't do that much to differentiate, but it's going to all be about how they perform, right? That's really ultimately how we judge products like this. But we'll see. I mean, I'm excited to test them out. Can't really go wrong with having these around. They always make a very good gift. People always need these, so you're never going to find yourself in a position where, at the end of the day, unless they don't work, I think they're always going to be fairly warmly welcomed by whoever gets them. So these are the replacement tips, the 4 different pieces right here. And of course, I'm holding the Type-C cable in my hand, Type-C to Type-A for charging purposes. And then these are the 4 tips if they want to jump out. There they go, all over the place. Come on, let's go. More than 4. I must have misread, because it looks like there are 6. At any rate, there are some of them. The point is, you will find the fit you need, hopefully. I don't think it'll be too tough. I imagine I'll be fine with the ones that came straight out of the packaging, but let's move that aside. And let's pop them in, which shouldn't be too difficult either. So essentially, you just want to make sure that you have the left and right in correct position. And you can see it's going red because they are charging right now. You'll see that red light. And as per the instructions, once they're in, just open the case and it will be in pairing mode. And you can see they've now gone blue. They are now ready to be paired, it appears. Well, one of them is blinking blue. I'm not sure about the other one, but they should be ready to be paired. But at any rate, I will test these out. I will report back. I'll let all of you know what I think. It's definitely something worth giving a look. That's the whole reason that I agreed to review it. But that's pretty much it. Again, the EarFun Air True Wireless Earbuds. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.